Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a night vision device and at least one charged battery. Put the battery into the device and keep a spare in your inventory so you don't get stranded. Equip the goggles to a hotbar slot for instant activation. This saves time when zombies appear. Once done, turn off all external lights so the optics can adapt faster, and make sure your character is facing the dark area you want to scan before you activate the device. You activate the night vision from your hotbar and instantly gain contrast in dark areas, which helps you spot movement at range. Move deliberately, crouch, peek around corners, and use short bursts of forward movement to avoid detection. Make sure to toggle the device off between scans to save battery life. Batteries drain with continuous use. Also monitor your character's stamina and any visual modifiers, because night vision can compress depth cues. So slow down. You complete the operation by replacing batteries before they drop to critical levels, keeping one charged spare ready. When leaving dark zones, toggle the device off and stow it to prevent accidental use. If you experience flicker or loss of effect, unequip and re-equip the goggles to reset game visuals. This clears most glitches. If that fails, switch to your flashlight for immediate visibility and back away to a safe area. Then check inventory and battery condition before returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.